Hello guys, this is Xander DK77 here showing you how to install mods for Minecraft. So I am going to show you. So we're going to go to Minecraft CurseForge, my favorite website of downloads. It's nice and secure. So we're going to download Just Enough Items. Just Enough Items is a mod where it shows you how to craft these. So this is a very nice thing you want. So you want to download your version, right? So you can go all the different files. You can go to File and find all the different types of versions you want, right? Some are released are the best. For this one is the best since it's released, right? But we're just gonna take this one for now since I already have it, so I can just show you how it works. So when you click on this, your thing will begin in 5 seconds. And usually when it does not work, you can just click here. But yeah, as you see, establish your connections, and there it is. You just keep, and then you go to your File Explorer, and then you can go to Downloads, and there you are. You can usually move this to your Minecraft mods to keep it safe as a backup file, just in case you want to delete some and replace it for a different version. So I'm just going to delete this because I already have one. So here is this one. So you want to copy this as the backup file, and then you want to go here, percent add data, percent, and it'll take you to the codes here. In .minecraft is where you want to be. So if you go in here, you should find a folder of mods. It should automatically make it. If not, then just you could just create new one folder and just say name it mods. So as we go in here, you just paste, and voila, that should be that. And then you're done. There, it's done and everything. And as I'm going to show you, it will work on the Minecraft. So here, Forge, here we're coming. We're starting. Okay, as you see, it should load in with all the with all your mods showing here. I have some extra ones, so that's why it takes longer. So it should be quickly done. So here, we want to go to single player. Here we go. YouTube Minecraft test. Made one already, just for you guys, so it can save some time. So it's reload in the world, building terrain. It will appear. There you go, your regular Minecraft world with all its squids and sheep and trees. So here you can see, just normal. Always wanted to figure out how to make something. Let's see, dispensers. You always wanted to know. Here you go. There you go. Look at all this. This is what it requires. You can just easily make that, and voila. Thank you for watching my first video, and please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button to keep posted on all new things and hopefully better things. Thank you and goodbye.